Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s plus b. Because we have s, so I will put b go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. So this one we change for u. S we change for u minus b. The s we change for the u. So this one we can put like this. So we have the formula in here. So this one we need to transform this one into this one. So u that is about capital A minus b that is about capital B. So this one we have sine u cosine of A minus b plus cosine u and sine of A minus b. So in this one we have cosine u divided by cosine u. We have number 1 sine u divided by cosine u. So we need to focus on this one. So we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about t equal to cosine u. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sine u du. Because we don't have the negative side in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So cosine u we change for t. Sine u du we change for negative dt. And now we have the final answer. About t, that is about cosine u. So this one, that is about this one. This one, that is about u. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.